Hello my dear friend. Today I will show you a useful trick on how to square numbers ending in 5. After you master this technique, all the next calculations you'll be doing mentally, just in 2 seconds. So, let's begin. This simple math trick has only 2 steps. Let's say you want to do 15 squared. First, you take the digit that is not 5 and multiply it by one more than itself. In our case, it's the number 2. 1 times 2 is 2. In the second final step, you just put 25 at the end. My congratulations, that will be your answer. The next example is 25 squared. Again, we follow our 2 simple steps. First, we take the digit that is not 5 and multiply it by one more than itself. 2 times 3 is 6. The final step, we just put 25 at the end. 25 squared is 625. If you ask 100 people on a busy street to quickly calculate 75 squared in 3 seconds, I bet none of them will be able to do it. But you could do it easily. 75 squared. We take the digit that is not 5 and we multiply it by one more than itself. 7 times 8 is 56. The final step, we just put 25 at the end. 75 squared is 5625. Let's finish our lesson with this example. 105 squared. We take 10 and multiply it by one more than itself. So we multiply 10 by 11 and get 110. The final step, you just put 25 at the end. Please remember this approach. If you have a number that ends in the digit 5, you just take one more than the number itself and multiply it. You write the result down and just put 25 at the end. Please subscribe to my channel to learn more about practical math. See you in the next episode.